Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to use your Lenovo Tab Pen with your Lenovo Idea Tab Plus tablet. So first, very important thing about your Lenovo Pen is that it is not rechargeable. It requires a 4A alkaline battery to be inserted into it in order to work. And it has to be inserted this way. Then you just close your pen like this, and then it's ready to go. So you don't have to use any Bluetooth connection nor anything, just straight away start using it with your tablet. Now let's look at the settings for the pen so that I can explain everything step by step to show you how you work with it. So let's go to settings, then let's select pen and keyboard. Here let's go to pen, and as you can see here, we can see the battery status. As you can see, it's fully charged for now. Now if you want to enable Pen Toolbox, switch the toggle to the right. This will enable the easy toolbox that you will be able to use in order to do pretty much everything quickly and easily with your pen. So for example, the EasyJot feature will let us use the pen on the current screen so that we can take notes on it and make some drawings, and we can use the pen feature. We can use the highlight feature if you want to highlight something on your screen. We can also use the pencil, which will give us the pencil-like drawing style. We can also use this one, which will give us the I'm not sure what it's called, but this cooler kind of style of writing. And we can use the eraser if you want to quickly erase something that you drawn. Then we can use this figure tool. If you want to quickly draw any figure on your screen, just draw it like this, just sketch it like this, and this tool will finish it for you. Just like this. And we can also use this quick selection tool if you want to quickly select something and for example, make a picture out of it or drag it on the screen. Then you can also adjust the color, and we can also crop the screen to take a partial screenshot of the screen. So just select crop and then draw a selection on your screen like this, then tap finish and then save, and the screenshot will be saved. And so this way you can take quick notes on your screen and then save it as a screenshot and use it later for your studies, for example. Then we can also use this circle to search tool like this to quickly search for anything on our screen or translate text. Just like this. Of course, for this feature to work, we're gonna need a stable internet connection. Then we have the partial screenshot that we've already taken using EasyJot feature. And we can also start a new note where we can also use our pen to draw. And here we have the very same toolbar that we previously had at the top of our screen. So I don't even have to explain how everything works here. So we have the highlighter, pencil tool, the other pen tool, the eraser, the shapes, and the selection to create sketches and images. And now we also have the virtual pointer, which will allow us show something on the screen of our tablet. So for example, if you are displaying or casting your screen somewhere during your presentation, for example, and you want to show something without touching it on your screen, you can easily do this like this. So as you can see, the the tablet screen is unresponsive right now, but we basically use our pencil as a pointer. Now, and the last feature we have in this toolbox is the magnifying glass. So if you want to see something more clearly, just tap on it and hold your pen down on it, and you'll be able to read text clearer or see different elements clearer. Now, these are all the tools that we have in our toolbox. And now let's also check what we have here. We have the handwriting feature. If you enable it, you'll be able to use your, for example, Notes application for handwriting, and this will allow you taking notes using your Lenovo Pen instead of the on-screen keyboard. So you just have to open your Notepad and then start writing something in it using your Lenovo Pen, and the handwriting will be displayed as the printed text. And so you can also select which language you want your Lenovo tablet to recognize during your handwriting. So as you can see, we have English and Spanish here. So I can write in English and Spanish and the tablet will recognize it. However, if you want to add some additional languages, you just have to download the packages for them in here. Now we also can adjust the handwriting color, so the color that will indicate that the text that we are entering using our pen is being converted to the printed text. Now we have two shortcuts. So swipe at the lower left corner and swipe at the lower right corner, and we can adjust them. So we can, for example, change the EasyJot to screenshot to quick notes or to disable it. And the same for the lower right corner. And now if you want to activate these gestures, you just have to swipe your finger from one of these two corners, just like this, and this will activate an additional feature. For example, we have Notepad here, and we have this EasyJot feature here, so the one that I've shown you before. Now we can also enable or disable accidental touch protection. So in accidental touch protection, enable dynamic accidental touch protection so that you don't accidentally use your pen on your screen. And so you can also enable accidental touch protection for operations, so this way the gesture navigation won't be triggered while you are using your pen on the screen. And then you can also select the apps where you want the accidental protection, the accidental touch protection to be active in this menu. Okay, now let's also scroll a little bit lower. So if you want to show pointer while hovering, then enable this feature. And if you want to have the handwriting sound when you're writing on the screen, then enable this feature. And that's pretty much it. So now the last thing that we didn't check is the sensitivity of the pen and the sensitivity adjustment. Now there is no sensitivity adjustment in your settings application. Instead, this feature is available in the supported applications that actually have something like sensitivity. So for example, the Squid application, if I'm not mistaken, has this. So let's open this tutorial note, and here we can in the pencil menu we can adjust the size of the pen, and we can also enable or disable pressure. Okay, and now one cool thing that you can do with your Lenovo Pen. If you want to make a quick drawing and make it realistic, you just have to open your Notepad. As we previously established, it can be accessed from the bottom right corner of the screen. And now if you want to generate a quick image of a cat, for example, then just grab your quick notes tool, then draw an image of a cat just like this. and then use this quick selection tool. Draw a circle around your image, select sketch to image, then select the image style in here, tap generate, and see what AI does in a couple of seconds. Then, as you can see, we got this cat image that we can instantly insert into our notes. Then we can also erase the previously drawn sketch, and that's how easy you can create images with your AI, with the AI and your Lenovo Pen. And that's pretty much it. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.